Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel guys. I've been on for a minute, so I'm gonna do some stuffed chicken breasts. And the filling guys is rice and vegetables. A little bit of rice and vegetable. Nothing fancy. You know what I mean? Nothing too fancy, people. See, nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy spanchy. Nothing too fancy spanchy. I'm gonna make two big breasts. The rice is spicy, guys. Rice and vegetable. And just like that, dinner is almost ready. They'll mess up with that one, yeah. Nearly mess up with that one, yeah. You think one more can hold this?
Maybe. Because the chicken one, sure.
This one is kind of huge. That one is big. You said the one is big.
That one's for dad.
You know I'm not going to eat that fast. I'm not eating enough again like first time.
Yeah. Well, you can split it in half.
One for two person. This is one for me and him. And then that one is huge. It's gonna be like 4 nights dinner. You know what I mean?
Or 2.
No, 4 nights. 4 nights.
How's it 4 nights?
Eh?
How's it 4 nights?
One candle for you 4 away.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
This candle for 4 away.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that.
Nah.
And that is 4 breasts.
Nah.
So it's 4 nights.
Nah.
What do you mean no?
Nah.
Okay, we'll see.
Dad needs food.
No. Only one go cut down if you cut.
Whatever.
Yes.
Whatever.
So this is 4 chicken breasts, guys. So this I never get nothing, so it's gonna knock that today, so put all the juice in him now, show him the juice. You know what I mean? And then I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, guys, so it ready like Freddy. Oh, we cook all the way through. Do it this way. Ooh. Ooh. I think it's ready, guys. It ready like a Freddy. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, guys, now I'm going to pour the gravy on top of it. And this is the gravy from the oven. Moist and juicy. It is so juicy. Okay, guys, let's go now. Let's see how this bad boy look. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Oh, the smell is awesome, guys.
Taste it.
That's what I'm gonna do now. Trying to taste it. No, no rice not more night. Let's see my rice tonight. Bon appetit. Oh! Mmm! That's hot.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
I want to try it.
Mmm. That's very good. Mmm. Mmm. You want to try?
Mm-hmm. Well, that's too big of a piece. Isn't
No,
it?
it's not that big.
Yeah. But you talking about something's hot. All of that would have burned off my tongue.
Oh, that tastes good. Sarah? Come and taste it, Sarah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good, guys.
Oh, yeah. It's nice.
Mm.
Feels good, eh?
Yeah.
Long time I don't come to the kitchen. Okay, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want. And see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to click that bell. Hot.